What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. So this is a dot-to-dot books for kids ages 8 to 12. So this is basically a coloring book with dots. That's it. It only has 971 results. So anything less than 1000 is really good competition. So let me show you how much people are making here. I'm just gonna click here for the KD Spy. You can find KD Spy down the link below. So I'm just gonna sort this out. As you can see, $6,700 every single month, just use with one book. So this is really good, and I'm gonna give you stay tuned for the giveaway at the end of this video. So as you can see, let me just scroll down here. As you can see, these are the kind of books that people are selling, the dot to dot. This is so this is basically a coloring book. You just connect the dots, right? So as you can see, very simple covers. To stand out, you need to have a better cover, a professional cover, and I'll show you how you can get that for $5. You can have it made. So let me just go up to the top and show you where you can get the interiors for free. Yeah. So I go to kdpdownload.com and search for my KDP interior, kdpdownload.com. So I search for my KDP interior. As you can see, it's 90% off, but you don't have to pay anything because you can download everything for free. You can download 10 of this for free. So you can download any of this and merge them together if you want to be unique. So just search for dot to dot book for kids and you'll have the interiors. So for the covers, I promised you, go to Top Cover Designer and have your book cover made professionally for as low as $5. You can just have it made professionally for $5. Just go to Top Cover Designer. So as you can see, very good covers here, professional covers. So for the keywords from our title and subtitle of our books, so I go to the Amazon keyword tool from the keyword tool illuminator. Again, this tool is completely free. I'll put the link in the description box below. So I paste in my keyword and search for it. As you can see, it gives me all these keywords here, and I use the ones that have the stars for my 7 keywords space, as well as for my title and subtitle. So this is it. This is the giveaway, by the way. Go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide. I wrote this book, so you can just download this. It will be delivered through your email. So have fun with this one, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.